On everybody, I hope everybody's enjoying their week. If you're new to my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by. My name is Blankapino the Apple Guy, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to fix those troubling issues with your printer. Now, we've all been there, we've all had this issue. Doesn't matter if you've had this issue with like a new printer or an old printer or a new computer or an old computer. This is going to mostly focus on those users who have Macs. I will be doing a video later on how to fix this issue with those who run Windows devices. So we've all been there, we've bought a printer, get ready to print, and for some reason it won't print. You'll get the printer sign up, you get the little printer logo on, and you get like what looks like a little kind of lightning indicator on it. Basically, all it's saying is that for some reason your Mac is not communicating with your printer, and you don't know what the issue is, you don't know what to do, so you obviously call like some tech support, or you call the handyman, or you call like your son or one of your family relatives, or you call someone to help you fix this issue. Now today I'm going to show you how to do this on your own. It's relatively easy and simple. I will go through the instructions really quick. Now there's two ways of doing this. One way of doing it is pretty much what most people will do is they will get up and they will just simply unplug the printer, wait a couple of seconds, and then plug it back in, and that relatively kind of fixes the issue. But again, it's not a 100% foolproof issue because again, sometimes if your printer is on another level and you are in the, like say, living room or you're in the dining room, you're going to have to go all the way back up there, unplug that, and then plug it back in. There's another way of doing this, and you can do this pretty much on any Apple device with the exception of obviously the iPad and the iPhones. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go into the system preference. Depending on where you have it on your dock, you should have something that says system preferences. If it's not on your dock, then you would tap on here the launchpad, click on that, and it'll be in one of two pages depending on how much stuff you have on it. You'll see it right here, say system preference, so anywhere on the pages that you swipe through, if you see system preferences, you tap on that, and then from there, as you can see, you're going to slide down to the where it says printers and scanners, and you're going to bring you up to this where it says either add printers. So what we're going to do is, I actually just bought a printer earlier today, so we're actually going to add that. So as you can see, I have the add, so I'm going to tap on that. And what it's going to do is it's going to search through my Wi-Fi for that specific printer. Now when you're setting up a printer, you want to make sure that that printer is on the same Wi-Fi as yours. That way it makes it much more easy for the Mac to communicate with the printer as opposed to being on something else like say your hotspot or something like that where the connection is not as stable. It's best just to have it connected to Wi-Fi and keep it there. So as you can see, my printer's already been picked up. We're just going to tap on that and it gives me the name. As you can see, I use the auto set. It is a secure AirPrint. Once it's gathered all the information, I simply just hit the add, and then it will set up the printer. And this printer also has a faxing portion of it. So if your printer has a faxing portion on it, it will also add that to your setup. So as you can see, all I have to do is tap on the fax, and again, it shows me the fax number as well as the print. Now, say you are having issues with your printer and it's not communicating, you don't know what it is, the easiest solution would be just to click down here where it says minus. You hit on that, and it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete this printer from your delete this printer? Trust me, it's safe to just say hit delete printer. You'll be fine. You don't have to worry about is it going to lose everything that you have print wise. And then again, if your printer is connected with a fax option also, simply just tap on the delete fax, and then what you're going to do is you can reset your computer, basically just restart your computer and then go through this all over again, or you can just simply just tap on the add, and then again, just like as if I was adding it before, click on the printer that it was showing, it gathers the information, hit add again, then it sets up your printer, and that is pretty much all that you have to do. Now I will have other video links in the description as well as on the, I think it's the right hand side of some other DIY videos for your Mac that I will have there. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please hit that thumbs up, and again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell notification. And I just want to do one more announcement that I will be doing a giveaway of a camera once I reach 500 subscribers. Now, once I reach 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, and I'm not really sure which cameras I want to do. It's kind of between a Canon and either a Sony or a Panasonic, just depending on which one I want to do. But once I reach the 500 subscriber goal, I will be doing a giveaway. Right now I'm at 327 subscribers. So all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, hit the bell notification, that way you don't miss content when I drop it. And I want to thank everybody for watching my channel. Again, my name is Black Apino the Apple Guy, and thanks for watching.